Hero MotoCorp has become the latest two-wheeler manufacturer to announce an extension on vehicle maintenance packages. Any maintenance packages expiring during the coronavirus lockdown will be extended by 60 days from the date of expiry. The extended services include all scheduled free services, all services under the brand's Joyride annual maintenance contract, and all vehicles for which the warranty is expiring as per the terms and conditions of the warranty. The company has announced these initiatives for the safety and welfare of its customers and to break the chain of the spread of COVID-19. The second wave of the COVID-19 virus is spreading at a rapid pace in the country. A majority of the states and cities have announced a lockdown to curb the spreading virus. Hero MotoCorp has also recently launched its online sales and service platform. This includes service assistance on WhatsApp, where customers can easily interact with a menu-based chatbot 24/7. The platform offers real-time services and the support of key facilities like service booking and post-service feedback, real-time status check of the vehicle under repair, locating the nearest workshop or dealership, and more. Despite the lockdown, the sales of two-wheelers will continue as the automakers now offer a fully digital buying experience with augmented reality. Customers can visit the online platform for a 360-degree view of both the space and the product right from the comfort of their homes. However, as the virus spread decreases, the company is looking to resume production in a staggered manner. The company will restart production with a single shift at 3 of its plants in Gurugram, Haryana and Uttarakhand from 24th May. Hero MotoCorp will continue to monitor the situation closely to restart the remaining manufacturing plants, and other facilities will also open up gradually. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.